Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So on today's episode, I'm reviewing the best glass coating that I have ever tested or ever used, and it's GlassParency. This is a high-end coating for your glass, so let's have a close-up look. So this is made in the USA, and it's a patented formula because it's chemically engineered to react with silica within the glass, and it creates a bond that is stronger than anything else that I have seen on the market. Essentially, this lasts up to 3 years, comes with free maintenance because it's professionally installed. So in this video, we're going to show you how to install this product. Of course, you're going to see it in action, see how it repels water extremely well. We're going to talk about the scenarios in which this helps your glass and what it does for your glass. So without further ado, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan, welcome to the show. I hope you guys are having a great day. So as I said, today I'm going to talk about GlassParency. Now this is a glass coating, so a coating that's made for your car's glass, so for the outside part of your windows and your windshield. So this is made in the USA. It's a patented design because the chemistry inside this comes in a two-part form that we're going to talk about in just a minute. But essentially what this does is it's going to protect your glass. So on car glass, you have a lot of hills and valleys, so it feels kind of like a porous material. This one here is going to fill in all those gaps, all those hills and valleys, make the glass extremely smooth, and then the coating itself will help repel any dust, any dirt, any water, so it increases your visibility when you're driving, which of course also leads to increased security because, well, you won't have all those elements playing onto your windshield. You'll have a lot greater visibility out there. The glass is also going to be a lot easier to clean and maintain. And this here is aimed particularly to two people. So for the average consumer, this is great because you have a professionally installed product that has a 3-year warranty. You also get free maintenance. So every 90 days or whatever you guys establish with your detailer or your local installer of GlassParency, well, you get to come in and have a fresh up coat or a maintenance boost done to your windshield for free. And of course, for the professional or the GlassParency installer, it's also great for your business because you get automated emails that are sent out to your customers reminding them to come back to your shop for that free maintenance. And this helps you grow your business furthermore because you can offer also all sorts of services. Let's talk about the two kits that they have. So essentially, they have the windshield kit. So that comes with the essentials for your windshield. So in the box, you get a cream cleanser. So this here will help to remove any gunk or junk that might be on the windshield. Of course, any traffic film or any stuff that might impede bonding of the product. To apply that cream cleanser, you also get a scrub pad. And you also get the two-part application. So essentially in the packets, you get two towels. So a part A and a part B. Part A is essentially the part that's going to level the surface and fill in those hills and valleys and act as a primer for the coating itself, which is part B. A windshield kit can be applied in roughly 10 minutes, so that's super quick. And then we move on to the total car kit. So this one here has all the equivalent that you need, of course, to apply the stuff on your windshield and all the exterior glass of the vehicle. And this only takes roughly 25 to 30 minutes, so they're very quick to apply. Also, another great thing about the GlassParency kits is that there's no curing time. So as soon as you're done applying the product, the customer can drive off into the elements, whether it's snowing, hailing, even raining outside, it doesn't matter. There's no cure time. So that's very quick and very good for efficiency. And in the total car kit, what do you get? Well, you get a bigger version of the cream cleanser. Again, you get the scrub pad, and you get 4 packets of the A and B, so the primer and the coating. So you get 4 packs of this, which easily allows you to cover all the glass in the car. All right, so now let's go ahead and do the application on a test vehicle so you guys can see what all the steps are about. All right, so first you want to work on a clean car. So what I did, I washed the vehicle and of course dried it. Then we're going to clean and prep the glass by doing a clay stage. So I'm using a clay towel and use water as a lubricant. Don't use any other lubricants because you're going to add unwanted chemicals onto your windshield. So just clay the windshield and then rinse if need be. While the glass is still wet, apply the cream cleanser on a wet scrubbing pad. Work the product into the glass in circular motion. You're now going to rinse and dry the windshield. You're going to clean the glass with an alcohol-based glass cleaner. Now you're going to apply step A, which is essentially a primer. So you're going to remove it from the pack and you're going to apply it in a crosshatch pattern. You're going to let the product sit for about a minute. You're going to apply step B, which is the coating itself. So again, you're going to remove the towel from the packet and you're going to apply it to the windshield in a crosshatch pattern, meaning up and down and left to right movements. You're going to let it sit on the glass for about a minute. You're going to remove the residue with a damp microfiber towel. So your towel can be damp with either water, or what I like to do is to make it damp with glass cleaner. Make sure that it's an alcohol-based glass cleaner. And then using a second and dry and clean microfiber towel, you're going to buff off to leave a nice high shine and no streaking. Make sure to inspect the work for high spots or any leftover residue. So as you can tell, the product is very hydrophobic, so a lot of water beading and water sheeting. The water just flies off the windshield, and this helps to increase your security and of course clarity when you're driving through inclement weather. And again, if we have a look at the benefits in the back, let's have a close-up look. The cool thing about this is that if you're located, for example, in Florida or any rainy environment, it helps to repel water and it reduces night glare. If you're in a place like in a desert or a dry area like Nevada, for example, well, dust and dirt has a hard time sticking to the glass. And if you're up in the Northeast, like New York, for example, well, ice and snow are much easier to remove. So it's a great product that has a lot of benefits, as you can tell here in the back. And honestly, it is the best coating for glass that I have ever tested. And I have been through a bunch of high-end coatings, as you guys know, through my detailing channel. So this here, the cool thing, well, it's a two-step process installation. It must be professionally installed because you get the 3-year warranty. So this is how GlassParency makes sure that they can offer that warranty. Maintenance is free. So every 90 days or whatever specific calendar you guys set up with your detailer, you get that free maintenance. So it's essentially a top-off spray to boost and enhance the performance and make sure you get the optimal level of performance out of your GlassParency kit, whether it's for your windshield or the total car kit for all your car's glass. They also have the GlassParency glass cleaner. This is an alcohol-based glass cleaner that's very, very effective. And well, it's a product that just delivers the goods. There's none better out there if you ask me. Now, if you want to become an installer, there's a 45-minute course to take online. And if you want to become a distributor, again, I'll make sure to include the links in the description under the video for you guys to check it out. And if you're a consumer and you want to have a high-end coating applied to your glass that comes with a 3-year warranty, I'll make sure to include the dealer locator in the description under the video so you guys can click and check out the nearest installer to your home. And also, this is very well priced, so you're going to be surprised at how little it costs to have that much protection and of course that high of a performance for your glass. So in a nutshell, this is a great safety product for end users and consumers and a great product to have in a professional's detailing arsenal. So I want to take a quick second and give a shout out to the GlassParency team. Thank you for sponsoring this video and making all of this possible. If you guys have GlassParency installed on your car's glass, share your experience with my viewers. Let me know in the comment section under the video. If you liked this video, show me your support by smashing the thumbs up button. If you haven't done so yet, click the subscribe button that's found under this video, and that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. So guys, thanks for being there, thanks for watching, and in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.